In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer WhatsApp leads to Google Sheets using Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. Transferring leads can streamline your process significantly, and today I'm going to walk you through each step. First, you'll want to head over to your Zapier homepage. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Create. You'll find it pretty clearly. Just click on that. Now, after you've created your news app, the next step is to click on Zaps. This option will allow you to view and manage all the workflows you've created so far. Next, it's time to set up your trigger. Click on the option that says Trigger. This is where the magic starts to happen. You'll be prompted to search for the app you want to integrate. Go ahead and type in WhatsApp. Once you've typed that in, you should see WhatsApp Business pop up. Go ahead and click on that option. Now, you'll need to choose an event for your trigger. Look for the option that says Choose an Event and select that. From the list of actions, locate the one that reads New Message Received. This indicates that your Zap will be triggered whenever you receive a new message on WhatsApp. Click on that to select it. After setting up your trigger, we'll move on to the action. Click on the button that says Action. In the search bar, type Google Sheets. This will help you connect your WhatsApp messages to your Google Sheets. Once you see Google Sheets, click on it. Now, just like before, you'll need to choose an event for your Google Sheets action. Click on Choose an Event once again. From the drop-down, find and select Create Spreadsheet Row. This means that every time you receive a new message from WhatsApp, a new row will be created in your specified Google Sheet. Next, you'll need to log in to your WhatsApp and Google Sheets accounts if you haven't done so already. This step is super important because this is how Zapier accesses your information and links everything together. After logging in, Zapier will ask you to customize your trigger and action settings. Take a moment to specify which information from your WhatsApp messages you want to include in your Google Sheets. You can choose fields like the sender's name, message content, and any other necessary details. Tailor it to suit your needs. Once you've input all the necessary information and made sure everything looks good, it's time to test your Zap. Zapier has a built-in testing feature to ensure that your connection works correctly. Follow the instructions provided to complete this. And voila, that's it. You have successfully set up an automated process that transfers your WhatsApp leads directly into Google Sheets. Whenever you receive a new message, it'll automatically be logged into your sheet, saving you time and effort. So there you go. You've learned how to streamline your leads from WhatsApp into Google Sheets with Zapier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.